she waits, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bed.
What's up, yeah? Lalakad din, pareho na. Okay, nag-aaway na sila. Pareho na. Ay, na yung service namin. Sakay na kami sa service namin.
Trip, trip, trip,
Yo,
trip lang. Trip,
pakinggan nyo to.
Bakit?
Trip lang.
Okay, Anika, nasa na tayo? 20,
Halika na darang madali ng talaga. Pangako pagkatapos humihinga ka pa. Dali na pare magliliwanag na. Kung di ka sasabay maiiwanan ka. Ang isip ay wag na gawin pang dalawa. Dahil isa lang ito. Ang gusto lang naman ito ay maghimasaya.
Okay guys, nasa Robinson, Manila. And we're going to eat the Mexican Mash Burger King. Come with us.
Burger, burger, you're my crave. From the diner to the microwave. Grilled or fried, I'll never stray. You're the flavor of my day.
Ano yun nyo guys? Uy, dapat ano ka kasi ikaw yung ano ko, face card ko dito. Ano sa'yo?
Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bighati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti.
Okay. Ang plano, kunin ang leftover. Ito, iba talaga box bracket nito. Hindi na talaga na yung babae. Okay, we're done eating guys.